Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off NFC feature on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I'm going to turn off my NFC feature because I no longer need that NFC feature to be on in my Samsung Galaxy phone. So I'm going to turn it off. First thing first, we can go to the setting and then we have to open the connection setting. And here, if we want to turn off the NFC and contactless payment feature on our Samsung Galaxy phone, we can simply click on this toggle button. Click on the toggle button and then the feature will be turned off. Okay, you can also go to your quick setting panel and then you have to find the NFC feature or NFC icon. But if the icon hasn't appeared on your quick setting panel, you can add it. You can click on this pencil icon to add the NFC icon to your quick setting panel. And I'm just going to add this NFC feature or icon. I'm going to replace this, maybe this link to window with the NFC icon, right? And we can click on done. And right after we added the NFC icon to our quick setting panel, will be easier and faster to turn on or turn off the NFC feature like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off NFC feature on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.